Hi everybody, it's Eva from SocaMom.com, and I'm really glad you guys are here with us today. For those of you who are new to the group, welcome. For those of you who have been in the group for a while, please comment down below and welcome all of our new members. Before you get started in the group, be sure to check the group rules, and then there's an announcement post that gives you all of our themed days like Travel Tuesday, Whining Wednesday, things like that. So today happens to be Say It Saturday. Now, Say It Saturday is the day that you get to start a conversation. Anything that has been on your mind that you want to share, things that are in current events, stuff like that, you share that on the timeline and we talk about it. I'm going to kick off Say It Saturday with something that has been on my heart for quite some time. It's been on my heart since I started this blog. I don't know if anyone else has been affected by this, but I just have to talk about it now. It's been 7 years. I've been holding this for probably 7 years, and we just got to talk about it. So I grew up in the South. We talked about that on another video. And when I was growing up, it was not a very multicultural area. And the internet was not a thing like it is right now. So people weren't really exposed to different cultures outside of whatever you find in the library or the encyclopedia or National Geographic or something like that. So everything was very black and white. That was it. And the dominant culture, of course, is white American culture. I ended up at a school where I was the only one pretty much between, I would say, 3rd grade and 7th grade. 8th grade, I met one of my really great friends. She's still my friend to this day. So then there were like 2 of us at the school and then my brother. So in the entire school, that was pretty much all of the brown people, black people that everyone saw. So lunchtime. I know it seems trivial, but lunchtime has been on my heart for years now and I just gotta talk about it. Lunchtime was difficult for me. I have to say times have changed because for me, lunchtime was a sort of a torturous time because I never knew what was going to happen when I opened my lunch. Now, my mom would make an attempt at American food. Her grilled cheese sandwich was not made like an American grilled cheese sandwich. She figured that a grilled cheese sandwich was pretty much the same as bread and cheese. So, of course, what I wanted was what everybody else had: white bread, American pasteurized processed cheese substitute in a slice coming out of plastic, grilled in a whole lot of butter in a frying pan, cut diagonally in a sandwich bag that folded over, right? Okay, so I got the absolute opposite of that. It was on A, wheat bread, or whatever bread got cut. So this was not sliced bread. This was a loaf that she would cut, right? So it was uneven, you know. It was just cheddar cheese now. This was just cheese that came in a block, and she would cut it however you cut it and arrange it on the bread, right? So this is not melted in any way. So then the last thing, all I ask is that the sandwich be cut into triangles. Oh no, she got to cut it straight down the middle. I don't know what that was about, but it was what it was. So grilled cheese sandwich was cheese on bread, you know, and then, you know, you're hungry, so you got to hurry up and eat that before somebody says anything to you, and you're kind of used to it, so it's not that it's nasty, it's just that if somebody else sees your lunch, they're going to be like, what is that? So also leftovers for lunch. Now, nobody else brought leftovers for lunch. Like nobody brought leftovers for lunch. My kids would fight to have leftover roti or curry chicken or jerk chicken or something like that in their lunch. Rice and peas, they would love that, right? And of course I did love that until the first time I opened my lunchbox and everybody is like, oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is the smell, right? So there was that. So on this fine Say It Saturday, I'd like to hear from you guys what it was like going to school if you came from an immigrant family, or if you just had parents that was like, you're gonna get in your lunch what we have. I'm not buying any kind of fancy anything. You're not getting the pasteurized processed cheese substitute, you're gonna get this block cheese. If you guys had parents who really could care less about your social standing when it came to your lunch, what it smelled like, honestly, I love the smell of curry. I love the smell of jerk chicken. I love the smell of roti, until other people told me that it was gross. So I still loved it, but I just didn't love to have it at school. So first, I would like to welcome you guys again to the group and give you an opportunity to comment down below, introduce yourself, and tell us a little bit about what your lunch experience was like. Did your family completely assimilate and just go to the grocery store and get you exactly what everybody else had? Or did you have to deal with their version of whatever you were going to get for lunch, like bread and cheese? I'm still scarred over the bread and cheese. And don't get me started with the fact that it is not in a sandwich bag. This thing is wrapped in foil that may have held something else. I'm scarred, okay? Like the foil might have had a little bit of grease in there, and then when she decided she was gonna cook the thing and the cheese got greasy, listen, I've been through it. So anyway, I'm sorry, I digress. Comment down below, let us know what your lunch experience is like. Welcome to the group. I'm so glad that you guys are here, and I will see you soon. Bye.